What's up, y'all? Real Deal at Aikens and Wild Willie's. I'm in our most expensive high-end Ram 1500 Covert edition ever. It's a Laramie Sport with body color bumpers. So I'm excited about this one, essentially because it's all blacked out. I'm doing some test driving right now and it rides so smooth. I'm ready to get into the review, y'all. Let's go. So y'all, it's May 24th, 2021. It's finally hit 90 degrees here in Winder in Georgia, and it's steaming. And we've got another steaming black on black Covert edition behind us. This has the 3.5-inch Ready Lift SST kit, and we hate that they don't have that available yet for the 2021 F-150. So we're continuing to roll them out on our Ram 1500s, and I personally think that this size looks the best. Check this out. I love the leveled lifestyle that we've created here at Wild Willie's at Aikens with our Covert package, and this is on the far end of the spectrum as far as the height. As far as a Covert edition, this is the Ready Lift 3.5-inch SST kit, and proportion wise, this is the best looking setup to me, in my personal opinion, on the Ram 1500 trucks in our Covert edition package. So proportion wise, it is so balanced as far as the right height. You can fit 35s. Great example here. We've got again, y'all, a new tire. You've heard me talk about it so much. We're continuing to run it because we're really liking what we're hearing and seeing from it from our customers. The Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT in 35, 12.5, 22. So an aggressive size, and check out how aggressive that sidewall is, as well as your tread pattern is very aggressive as well. So this is actually an all-terrain tire, y'all, but it's here to compete with that hybrid Nitto Ridge Grappler that's been so popular and great for us. Just a phenomenal tire from this one so far on a fuel sledge wheel, 22 by 10, plus 10 on the offset. And this is a matte black facing with a gloss black lip. I love that contrast to flow with some of the other texture components that we still have found throughout the vehicle. So that really flows nicely, and just a great overall combo, black on black with a sledge wheel that's been a tried and true wheel for several years now. The SST kit from Ready Lift, you get new upper control arms, spacer on top of your coil spring there, and out back as well. You do not have leaf springs, you have a coil set up in the rear too, so you have just a nice subtle spacer there as well. Just a great overall kit to get you that height that you so much of you guys and gals desire. And then that black on black looks so great. So this layer, as I told you, is a sport package. So you've got body color bumpers, front and rear. Still have some subtleties in your exhaust and badging and headlights and so forth, but just looks so much better being a true blackout vehicle versus having so much chrome on it like most of the Laramies that we've see here and get here, and bighorns, etc. So mild to wild scale, being that plus offset, y'all, no trimming or modification. This fits up so nicely. Mild to wild scale, we're definitely pushed in, so we're on the mild side. It hangs in completely. So you've got these fender flares that come factory that give you a little bit more overhang, so there's absolutely no protruding tire out whatsoever. So you've got no worries as far as throwing up mud or rocks or debris or water to keep your body sides clean and good for the long haul. So I do like this offset stance. Out back, look how nice that body color rear bumper looks. Just everything looks so clean and precise. We got a rolling lock, retractable A-series powder coated aluminum bed cover. Love that on my truck as well. You've got tailgate assist, falls down so nicely. Aikens liner as well, y'all, and the rolling lock has a nice strap here, so when you retract it forward, you can just grab the strap and pull it back to you. So you've got easy use of the bed cover. You don't have to walk to the side like some of the other retractables that are out there and actually pull it that way. You got the strap, you can stay right here at the bed to rock and roll with it. Got blind spot monitor, LED tail lights as well. Great features. As you've seen on the inside at the beginning of this video, they've done a really good job with how well their interiors look. It's just a great job. Fit and finish and quality of components and materials has definitely gotten better over the years with Ram. Up front, body color of the bumper, which is a game changer. The grill's all black as well. Typically the bars, horizontal bars, are all chrome, so that just looks so iconic and so mean, y'all. It just looks sinister being all black. Here's another good side shot for you. 3.5-inch Ready Lift SST kit. We did amp power boards as well. And then one more look on the inside, y'all. That board's folding out. So nice. Magic. We've got the new WeatherTech full mats. This is the latest and greatest, just recently came out, so we're starting to use those. Really like, they're just an even better WeatherTech, if you could believe it. And then as I showed you earlier, the nice contrast leather and stitching, suede inserts as well. And just even the perforations have a cool design to it. You can tell from the video there, just looks so nice. And then you've got, I love their center console, how it can slide forward and back for more storage and just greater access and use for you, the customer. Twin pedal moonroof as well. This truck's got it all, y'all. It's a beautiful truck. Show you the window sticker. So window sticker wise, y'all, 2021 Laramie, 62,250. Pause here if you want to see all the options this particular vehicle has. It is for sale as of today. And here's our add-ons as mentioned, coming down to 74,938 before discount. We're showing $7,000 off on this currently, so you've got great value in components that all of you guys that like the Covert trucks we do will see value in every component. We got Hypertech speedometer calibrator as well, the bed cover, the power boards for the convenience factor. Just looks so great. Wheels and tires and more. So this one's all ready to roll for you guys, and I appreciate you watching and sticking around. If you are still watching this video, be sure and hit that subscribe button. And also, y'all, like this video. If you like what we're seeing, they'll start suggesting videos for you guys to watch, hopefully some of ours as well, that kind of fits what you're looking to see for your viewing pleasure. So thank you guys so much. Real deal Aikens and Wild Willies. It's hot, as I mentioned, but we love it, and we're keep making sure our trucks are matching the temperature right here in Georgia. Peace.